A brand new YouTube channel hit monetization in just 16 days, without a face, voice, or expensive equipment. AI-generated content is dominating, and those who tap in now are cashing in fast. The system is simple, but missing one step could mean months of failure. Ignore this and regret watching others succeed. Let's dive in. Success on YouTube isn't about having the best camera or the perfect voice, it's about choosing the right niche and leveraging automation the right way. Some of the biggest YouTube channels don't even show faces or record original content. AI is changing the game, and those who know how to use it are getting ahead fast. One of the most overlooked but highly profitable niches is AI-generated music. This is a goldmine for anyone looking to build a passive income stream, and there's proof that channels using this method are racking up millions of views with just a few uploads. Imagine uploading a video today and seeing thousands of views roll in within weeks. That's the power of picking the right niche and using AI tools to scale quickly. One music channel recently hit monetization in just 16 days simply by uploading high-quality AI-generated tracks. The demand for copyright-free music is massive. Nearly 1 million searches happen every month for it. That means people are already looking for this content, and with the right strategy, it's possible to tap into this audience fast. The first step is setting up a channel, which is simple enough. But what really matters is choosing the right genre of music. Not all music performs the same, and picking the wrong one can slow down growth. The fastest growing channels analyze what's already working and build on that. A quick way to do this is by looking at successful competitors and sorting their videos by popularity. If a certain type of music is getting millions of views, that's a clear signal it's in demand. Once the niche is locked in, generating high-quality music becomes the focus. AI tools can now create incredible soundtracks just by using the right prompts. A well-structured prompt ensures the AI produces engaging and professional quality music. The key is specifying the mood, instruments, and overall style. Without this, the results can sound generic. But with the right inputs, AI-generated music can rival professionally produced tracks. This means even beginners can create studio-quality soundtracks without any musical expertise. The right AI settings transform simple ideas into viral, high-engagement tracks that audiences love. The next step is transforming the audio into a visually engaging video. YouTube doesn't allow audio-only uploads, so adding a spectrum visualizer is essential. This small detail keeps viewers engaged and makes the video look polished. Free tools make it easy to convert the generated track into a video format with dynamic effects, boosting watch time and retention. Longer watch times mean better rankings, and better rankings lead to more views. A good visualizer doesn't just make the video look better, it keeps people watching. Smooth animations, bright colors, and rhythmic effects pull viewers in and hold their attention. The longer they stay, the more YouTube pushes the video to new audiences. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference in getting more views fast. But what about getting those first few thousand views? Even the best videos need the right optimization to reach the audience. AI-powered research tools make this simple by generating high-ranking keywords, video descriptions, and even click-worthy titles. Instead of guessing what works, automation tools analyze trending content and create keyword-rich descriptions that push videos to the top of search results. This is what separates videos that go viral from those that get buried. Optimizing tags, descriptions, and thumbnails is just as crucial. A well-crafted description packed with trending keywords increases discoverability, while the right tags make sure the video appears in suggested feeds. Even thumbnails play a huge role. Bright colors, clear fonts, and curiosity-driven designs can boost clicks instantly. AI tools now generate thumbnails that are optimized for engagement, saving time and ensuring each video stands out. Once the channel starts gaining traction, scaling up becomes the next goal. Instead of spending hours brainstorming new content, AI tools generate fresh video ideas by analyzing successful channels. By simply pasting a competitor's link, automation software can suggest trending topics and even write full scripts based on what's already working. This eliminates the guesswork and keeps the channel growing consistently. AI-generated voiceovers add another layer of professionalism. Instead of recording manually, natural-sounding AI voices can narrate videos with perfect pacing and clarity. Combined with stock footage, images, and engaging editing, this makes content creation almost effortless. With AI handling the heavy lifting, focusing on consistency and growth becomes easier. Even with the best content, monetization requires meeting YouTube's requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But the right niche and strategy can hit these numbers much faster. Channels using automation are getting there in weeks instead of months. Posting consistently, optimizing videos properly, and targeting the right audience speeds up the process dramatically. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting too long to start. Every day spent overthinking is another day lost while others are building their channels. YouTube automation has simplified the process, making it possible for anyone to succeed, even without experience. The question is, will today be the day to take action, or will another opportunity pass by, only to be regretted later? There's never been a better time to start. AI tools are making content creation faster, easier, and more profitable than ever. Those who take advantage now will be ahead of the curve, while others will be left wondering why they didn't start sooner. Time to stop watching and start earning. Turn on that money-making machine. Hit like, smash subscribe, and ring the bell for more next-level YouTube growth hacks.